buffalo chicken dip is spicy, it's creamy, it's cheesy. Hey there, OFT family. Today we are making one of our family favorite dips. I am making buffalo chicken dip. I can make this shit in my sleep. I have made it countless times, thousands of times probably. So what you're gonna need is a block of softened cream cheese, softened, room temperature. And then you need a total of 20 ounces of chicken. I'm using canned white meat chicken that I had drained. So we're gonna put that in the bowl, both cans. This is such an easy recipe, it's stupid easy. So I have the Big Daddy buffalo wing sauce. That tells you how many times I make this in my house. You need a cup of that. So let's put a cup of buffalo wing sauce in. And then you need a cup of ranch dressing. So we are going to squeeze that in here. Put that in there. And I have my oven preheating to 375. And you can certainly use rotisserie chicken or, boil off your chicken breast and shred it yourself. This is just the way that I have always made it forever. And then I'm going to take some shredded cheddar cheese. And we're going to put, I guess on this, most of the bag in there, and then I'll probably put the rest on the top. So let me get this stirred up. And when you stir it up, it will break up some of that chicken as well. All right, so once you have it all mixed in, you will see that the chicken has broken up into pieces. So I'm gonna put it in my casserole. And this is going to bake at 375 until it's bubbly. So it's about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna put the rest of the cheese on the top. That's good. I'm gonna get this in the oven. See you back here when it's done. We are back with our taste testing of the buffalo chicken dip. It went in the oven about 30 minutes until it got nice and bubbly and the cheese on the top got all melty. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Always a hit, always a hit. Buffalo chicken dip is spicy, it's creamy, it's cheesy. It's a great football dip or anytime dip. Try it with your family if you haven't already. Wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.